I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Good morning, you guys. It's currently 10:34 in the morning, and it's, I don't even know the date, but I think it's the 18th, May the 18th. This morning I would have started in the house, but you know, we was just trying to get everything together, and I had made breakfast this morning. I could have recorded that too, but I didn't feel like it. I did have an attitude, and okay then. Anyways, this morning we're gonna take Layla to get a hearing test done. I just wanted to show y'all how it is. Something happened with her first hearing test, so they making us do it again, and it's very annoying, but we're going because I love my daughter. Okay, so yeah. What you got to say? What do you got to say? Like you about to say something.
Ain't got nothing to say.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna take y'all along with us for that. I think that's really all we have to do today. Look at Layla. She's very tired, y'all. Don't mind my big old pink cup. Look at her. Look. So I was right. So I was right, wasn't I?
You was right. I apologize.
Okay, thank you.
Your first elevator ride.
She said the second floor, the third door on the right.
This your first elevator ride.
And a stroller. Ah, you feel better? Good morning. Next time, I'm right.
I said you were right.
Okay, y'all, so we in here. I just got checked in. But they said that Layla gotta be asleep. Layla is not for go to sleep. Layla been asleep the whole last year. That was an hour. She's been knocked out. She can be up. Look at her. Layla, you really feeling to test your ears? Huh? You ready? You ready? Ready. You gotta go to sleep. You gotta go to sleep. Yes. You gotta go to sleep, Layla. She is not trying to go to sleep, y'all. Hey, what's up, you guys? Y'all, we waiting on our results now. Barry in the room with us. Y'all, we had to get her to go to sleep. It was so hard. And they did it like on this testing machine thing here. There was like a lot of cords that hook up to her, and we had to put her to sleep, so that's why the pillow. Did you have fun with your test? Did you? So we'll let y'all know what the results is when we get the results, and yeah. Oh, mama baby did her test. It's dwizzling.
Do it be that obvious that she a baby daddy girl?
Yes.
Everybody be saying that. I'm like,
how do you think it's not obvious? Look at how you holding her leg. She just cool with it. If I would have picked her leg up,
because you not her dad.
Say you love daddy. Look at her build. You got to slide her up her whole body. She down. There you go. Daddy taking too long. Is daddy taking too long? Okay, daddy gonna get you in the car now. Okay, so we're back in the car now, and these, like, her results, like, it's not like a graded type of thing, but it's like telling like how her hearing is. So her hearing in her right ear is good. Her left ear though is like just a little below the line. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's a line, the blue line there, that's saying about her left ear. And she also gave me a paper about like what kind of hearing loss it could be, but it's not bad. It's just certain low noises she can't hear as well in her left ear as she could in her right ear. She said it's a conductive hearing loss, and that it's not too bad, and eventually, you know, about time she's 4 or something, it could probably be completely gone. But they're gonna we're probably gonna have to take her to get tested again in the future, but right now we're cool, so we just had to get that done. That was it. Now we got about an hour ride home. How do you feel?
Relieved. Pressure relieved.
Yes, because I just was so ready to get that over with, like you guys don't even know. I'm about to head back home, probably pick up some food, y'all. I am hungry. Okay guys, see y'all in the next vloggy vlog, and love y'all. Say some.
Ain't no doubts, baby. All I know is I won't judge you. No, I